Hi, my name is Lisa.
Hi, we're a family from Colorado using CTCMath for about a year now.
CTCMath has been such a blessing for our family.
We love CTCMath.
And what attracted me to it at first was the price.
The affordable.
It was less expensive than to buy teacher manuals and student workbooks.
Since using CTCMath, my kids are excelling greatly in math.
The one thing I really love is that any of my kids can get on whenever they want to.
What we loved about it the most was the clear and simple instructions.
Kind of an extra set of hands when it comes to a certain subject.
They can answer as many questions as they need to until they get the answers correctly.
And they can redo it 4 or 5 times if they don't understand.
They're able to review and re-review.
They love the fact that they can do it independently.
I just love that they have the freedom to get on.
They're able to work at their own pace.
Learn at their own pace.
And work at their own speed.
It makes them more confident.
All my kids really enjoy it and love it.
My kids loved it.
I love that I can get on there and check their progress and know where they're at and what they still need to work on.
As a parent, I really appreciate the way that CTC sends out weekly reports and daily reports.
I don't think we could have found that with any other program so easily.
It's a great program.
Great tool for as a homeschool family.
I would recommend it for anyone.
I loved it.
We just love it.
And we absolutely love it.
So thank you, CTC Math.
We love CTCMath.
The Moore family loves you.